In this video, you are going to learn about HTML ID and classes. So first, let's talk about HTML ID attribute. The ID attribute specifies the unique ID for an HTML element. The value of the ID attribute must be unique within the HTML document. The ID attribute is used to point to a specific style declaration in a style sheet. It is also used by JavaScript to access and manipulate the element within the specific ID. The syntax for ID is write a hash character followed by an ID name. Then define the CSS property within curly braces. So in this HTML file, as you can see in the body section, for first paragraph I have used ID P1, and then in the head section I have inside the style attribute I have written properties for the ID P1. So as I just said, in order to specify properties for ID attribute, the syntax is first you have to write the hash character followed by the name of the ID, and then inside curly braces you have to write the properties for the ID attribute. So for the first paragraph, I have given background color as red. So on the browser, it looks like this. So the first paragraph has background color red. So the ID name is case sensitive. The ID name must contain at least one character and must not contain white spaces. Now let's talk about the class attribute. So the basic difference between class and ID is a class name can be used by multiple HTML elements, while an ID name must only be used by one HTML element within the page. So in the second and third paragraph, I have used class attribute. The class attribute is often used to point to a class name in a style sheet. It can also be used by JavaScript to access and manipulate events within the specific class name. But for this HTML page, we are going to style class attribute in the head section. So as you can see, I have written two classes in the head section. So for now, let's focus on the second paragraph. For second paragraph, I have used class equals to P2, and in the head section, I have written dot P2, which is the syntax. If you want to use class attribute, so you have to write dot followed by the name of the class. So dot P2, and inside curly braces you have to specify the styling properties. So for paragraph 2 I have given background color yellow, and on the browser it looks like this. So as you can see, for second paragraph has background color yellow. Now you can also specify multiple classes for one element. So for third paragraph I have used two class names, that is P2 and P3. So it is this particular element is going to have properties of both the classes. So for P2 I have given background color as yellow, and for P3 class I have given text align equals to center. So on the browser, as you can see, the third paragraph has background color yellow and the text is aligned in the center. So in order to use multiple classes, you just have to write first you have to write the name of the first class, then write a space between, then write a space and then write the second class. So that is how you can use multiple classes for one HTML element. So that is all you need to know about ID and classes. So that's it for this video. Thank you.